Moving on then, pulse, onion and tomato prices, they have surged up, also following a record heat wave in the country. Now, the centre has imposed stock limits to keep the rise in prices of pulses in check, and the government has also bought over 70,000 tons of buffer onion stock and expect the prices to stabilize as the monsoon progresses. In fact, my colleague Santia Gora was at the APMC market in Pune to get us a ground report on the soaring vegetable prices. Take a look.
So the tomato price has reached the mark of rupees 100 per kg in multiple parts of the country, especially the southern states. So what exactly is leading to this? First of all, the annual monsoon factor is in the play here. But other than that, this year, the summer crop of tomatoes got destroyed because of intense and excessive heat. And that has led to an imbalance in the demand-supply chain, which has led to this spike in tomato prices. Now, what happens every year is monsoon factor, which usually leads to a price hike during this time of the year. The fresh monsoon crop of tomatoes, the moment it hits the market, that leads to cooling down of these prices. But this year, because of the delay in monsoon's progression, this delay has led to a delay in the sowing of kharif crops, including tomatoes. That means that the monsoon crop, which was all set to hit the market towards the end of July, is going to take some time, which means that the much needed respite in the price of tomato is going to take some time. It's going to further delayed, and the worrisome factor is that the prices could increase further.
My God, okay. So tomato prices above 100 rupees a kilo now and expected to increase further. Santia also spoke to a few tomato farmers who described their plight given the difficult conditions that they are facing. Listen into what they had to say.
क्या हुआ अभी वो हीट की वजह से कुछ माल कम निकल रहा है, कितना भी बाजार बढ़ गया तो कुछ वो भांडवल बहुत लगता है, कॉस्ट बहुत लगती है, इसलिए कुछ फायदा नहीं होता है। 1000 के आगे जाएगा तो भी इससे खेत सब फार्मर को कुछ नहीं मिलता है, हाथ में मिलता है, मजदूरी बढ़ती है, भाड़ा लगता है।
हर साल 2-4 लाख होती है, मगर इस साल में धूप के वजह से, बारिश के वजह से बहुत कम हुआ है, 1 लाख भी नहीं हुआ है। सब खेती वालों को ये टमाटर माने ये हुआ है, नुकसान हो गए।
आज 950 रुपए क्रेट गया है, पर लेकिन इस साल में तेज पकड़ा है, लेकिन तेज
मतलब 50 रुपए किलो गया होगा।
हाँ, 50 रुपए केजी टमाटर गया है, पर लेकिन उतना उसको किसान को प्रोडक्शन हो रहा नहीं है। उस हिसाब से हर साल टमाटर का 1 एकड़ जो खेत होता है उसमें 800, 900, 1000 पूरा सीजन में जाता है एकड़ के हिसाब से, लेकिन ये साल में 200 क्रेट भी नहीं जाएगा, क्योंकि ये धूप के टेम्परेचर की वजह से फसल इतनी खास नहीं है।
मतलब
तो
दाम
ये 1000 रुपए क्रेट है, पर कुछ मतलब नहीं है। 3000, 4000 तक क्रेट जाएगा तो किसान को कुछ तो उसका नुकसान, अब जो एक्सपेंसेस हुआ है वो निकल जाएगा।
All right, so the climate change is really having an adverse impact on the food product prices.